Hi guys.
Another clap.
Another clap. Another clap because this is week 4 of quarantine, at least for us. And we're surviving. Anyway, simple, easy recipe of how to make crispy salmon with skin. We bought this salmon and then we just cut it into 3. We cured it already. Curing is just like you're putting salt, heavy salt, or sometimes salt and sugar, and then letting it be soaked by the fish, and then washing it off. And then don't salt it again after you wash it. So now we washed this already. We're just gonna season it with pepper. So now we're gonna go cook this up. In a non-stick pan, just add at least 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and just make sure that you put your heat into a little medium-high heat. Steaming right now, so we just add our fish. So you just
Is
put
it?
It is. Split it there. This is the secret part. The secret part is to not touch it for at least 7 minutes. So we're gonna time it. At 1:07, we're gonna flip it. 7 minutes later, we are ready to flip it over. And look at that. Crispy skin. This side just needs 4 minutes because it's pretty cooked already.
Go.
We've already prepared our plate. We are just adding our salmon to our plating.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Plate this and eat it with anything. But the most important part is you get that crispy salmon skin every single time.
What do you have in there though?
I have rice with Japanese seasoning, ramen eggs, mango, tomato, corn salsa.
Yum.
That's it.
Lunchtime.
Enjoy. See you guys next week. I hope you guys are still keeping sane and finding ways to remind yourself why you're staying at home, because it is important and you're saving lives. So tell the people that you love them every single day. Bye guys.